Welcome once again to this tutorial video of class 3. So my dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter number 5. You know the name of this chapter is Fun with MS Paint. And in this chapter, today we are going to discuss few points which are number 1, in use of different tools, shapes, clipping the picture. These three topics first we will discuss. So let's start the chapter. So I think all of you know MS Paint because you all are doing this from class 1. You love drawing and painting. So let's see first our topic, that is use of different tools. MS Paint has many tools and these tools are used to do different shapes, different things. So let's see one by one. The first tool is line tool. You know what is the use of line tool? The line tool is used to draw straight lines. Okay? The line tool is used to draw straight lines. Of course, you can change the thickness of your line. You can make it thick or thin as you want. So, this is the use of line tool. The next tool is rectangle tool. What is the use of rectangle tool? You know, rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and squares. By the use of this rectangle tool, you will be able to draw two shapes. One is rectangle, another is square. So, rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and squares. We have the next tool, that is oval tool. Oval tool is used to draw ovals and circles. Again I repeat, oval tool is used to draw ovals as well as circles. The next tool we have, that is polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons with any number of sides. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons with any number of sides. Next is fill with color tool. I think you know this tool. What is the use of fill with color tool? Fill with color tool is used to fill color in your drawing. Okay? It is used to fill color in the object what you have drawn. Next is pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw free form lines or curves. Pencil tool is used to draw free form lines and curves. Next tool we have eraser tool. It is used to erase any part of your drawing. If you want to erase some of the unwanted parts what you have drawn, so you can use eraser tool. So eraser tool is used to draw eraser tool is used to erase the unwanted part of your drawing. Next is airbrush tool. The airbrush tool is used to spray paint in the drawing area. Again I repeat, the airbrush tool is used to spray paint in the drawing area. Okay? You can spray inside your drawing, you can spray outside your drawing. Wherever you want to spray, you can use airbrush tool to spray the color. Okay? Next is select tool. The select tool is used to select any part of the picture. Again I repeat, select tool is used to select any part of the picture or full picture. Okay? So this is the use of select tool. So till now we have seen the uses of some different tools. We have discussed about line tool. It is used to draw straight lines. Rectangle tool, used to draw rectangles and squares. Oval tool is used to draw circles and ovals. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons with any number of sides. Fill with color tool is used to fill color in your drawing in any object. Pencil tool is used to draw free form lines. Eraser tool is used to erase your mistakes. Airbrush tool is used to spray color, and The select tool is used to select any part of the drawing. Okay, so I hope you can remember and you are using all these tools. So now, how to start paint? Let's see again. How to start paint? I know everybody knows this, but then also just take a quick recap. First you have to click start button, then click all programs, then click accessories, then click paint. Again I repeat, click start button, then all programs, then accessories, then paint. You can open paint in another option also, like click start button, then click search. In the search box you have to type P brush. Okay, in the search box you have to type P brush and press enter key. The paint window will come in front of you. Okay, sorry. Now let's see our second topic, that is shapes. How to draw shapes. Okay, we can use paint to add different shapes also. The ready-made shapes are available in the shapes group in the on the ribbon. Okay, many shapes you can see. These are the shapes I want to show you. If you can see, these are the different shapes. Okay, it has star, okay, oval, rectangle, square, rounded rectangle, triangle, arrow, heart shape. Many shapes are there. Okay, so these shapes are already there in the shapes group. So what you have to do, just click on any ready-made shape, press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw the desired shape. Again I repeat, click on any ready-made shape what you want to draw, then press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw the shape. Right? After drawing, just click outside the shape. Okay? Your shape will be drawn. Click on outline and change the outline style. If the outline is not required, select no outline option. All the steps are given in your book, so you can follow when you are going to draw. Now we will talk about call out shape. What is call out shape? Children, you have seen that normally the dialogues in the comic book are displayed in the speech balloons. Okay, so these speech balloons are known as call out shapes. Let us say you want to use these speech balloons in your drawing also. What you will do, you have two options. Either you draw them by using different tools, okay, or just you can use the call out shapes. Okay, either you draw them by using different tools or you can make use of call out shapes, right? Paint provides you three different types of call outs. One is rounded rectangular call out, next is oval call out, and the last is cloud call out. Again I repeat, in MS Paint there are three call out shapes, okay, available what you can use. First one is rounded rectangular call out, second is oval call out, and third one is cloud call out. What you have to do, how to use? First select any of the call out shapes from the shapes group and just drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw the call out. Right? So there are three call outs available in the MS Paint. Right? Rounded rectangular call out, oval call out, and cloud call out. How to draw? Again I repeat, click on any of the call out shapes from the shapes group, then drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area to draw the call out. Right? You can fill colors also in the call outs. Now let's see some informations which are given through the small boxes, as know the fact, let's know more, etc. Now dragging the paint icon to the desktop will create a shortcut to open Paint. Means you can create a shortcut of MS Paint by dragging the paint icon from the start menu to your desktop. Next is to open Paint. How to how to open Paint. To open Paint, click on Start, All Programs, Accessories and Paint. Right. Now, few more are there. You can read out. Okay. Now the last topic we are going to discuss, that is flipping. What is flipping? Flipping means rotating the picture. Okay. Flip means to rotate or turn the selected pictures towards horizontally or vertically. So you can flip the pictures in two ways, either horizontally or vertically. How to do that? Just click on the select tool and select the picture. Then click rotate option in the home tab. Okay, again I repeat, click select tool and select the picture. Then click on rotate option in the image group on the home tab. A list of options will be displayed. You can select your desired option to make it flipping, or this one, what is it called, rotating. So these are the steps. By using this you can flip or rotate your picture. So today we have covered these three topics: use of different tools, different shapes along with call out shapes, and flipping. Flipping means rotating and what is it called, turn the picture, right? So we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.